Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x plus y equals to 25 and xy equals to also 25. We solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here the very first step we are going to do is first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. So here first we need to focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 we have here we move this x to the right hand side and we get the value of y equals to 25 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. So here in the next step we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that, so when you put this y equals to 25 minus x, so our equation number 2 is rewritten as x times of 25 minus x is equals to 25. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and now here first we multiply this x on both of these terms and it will be written as 25x minus x squared. This x times of x becomes x squared and this whole is equals to 25. And now further we move these two terms to the right hand side and it will be written as 25x. So when you move these two values in the right hand side, it will be written as this is 25, this 25x becomes minus 25x, this minus x square becomes plus x square, and this is equals to 0. So this will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that first we rearrange the terms and we write this quadratic equation into the standard form. So it will be written as x square minus 25x plus 25 equals to 0. So this equation will become quadratic in x variable, so that now we will apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. So that in order to apply the quadratic formula, we will be writing this equation as first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 25, and c is equals to 25. So after this step we will just apply the quadratic formula. It is stated as x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So now we can put the values of a, b and c in this nice formula. So it will be written as x equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 25 and plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 25 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 25, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is also equals to 1. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, so that in order to more simplify the terms we will be rewrite this equation as x equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 25 and plus minus square root of, here we know that the square of minus term become positive, so we write it as 25 square. So you see here this is 25 square and this is 25, and we take common 25 from these two terms, we will get the remaining terms are here. You remember one thing is that this minus square become positive, okay, so that we take common 25 and we get positive 25, and here we obtain this minus 4 only, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications and we write it as 25 plus minus, here we know that the square root of 25 becomes 5 into square root of 25 minus 4 equals to 21, and it is divided by 2. So these are the two values of x in this problem, so that now here we will just use these two values of x, and we move forward to find the other values of y, corresponding values of y. Okay, so in order to find the corresponding values of y, we first rewrite these values are here. So here we write the positive value, it is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the positive value. Here we write the negative value, it is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. So now here for find the value of y, we need to copy down equation number 3 here. So that equation number 3 is implies that y is equals to 25 minus x. So here we substitute these two values of x here and we will make the two cases. So the first case is we have y equals to 25 minus x. The value of x in that case is this one. We write it as 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. Similarly, in the second case, we substitute this value of x here and we get our y is equals to 25 minus the value of x is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. So here in the next step we will just solve these two cases here. We need first focus on this case, and from this case we need to take the LCM of this term. So its LCM is 2. So this 225 becomes 50, and here we multiply this negative sign on these two values. It will be written as minus 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21, and here after that we have 50 minus 25 equals to 25 minus 5 times of square root of 25, and it is divided by 2. So this is the value of y corresponding to the value of x here. Similarly, we will solve this case, and here we get the second value of y. So that here we will again take the LCM of this term, and its LCM becomes 2. So 225 becomes 50, and here we multiply this negative sign on both of these values. It will be written as minus 25 plus 5 times of square root of 25. So here we need more simplifications, and we have 50 minus 25 becomes 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. So this is the value of y which we get in the second case. So here finally we have the two roots of the given equation are, we will write the two roots here. Our xy is equals to our first root is 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2, and the value of y is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the first solution set. Similarly, the second solution set is 25 minus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2, and 25 plus 5 times of square root of 21 divided by 2. This is the second value of y, and these are the two solution sets of the given equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.